Okay, good afternoon, everyone. We are waiting at this audience to come in. While waiting at this audience to come in, let me update you all some info. Utah having CFA Open Day from 20 March until 4 April. You may visit our website to get more info, study.utah.edu.my. So you would like to know more information about Utah, you can visit our website, and we are provided live chat function to the public. You feel free to chat with us. So I guess everyone are here now. So let's start the webinar now. So for the CFA Open Day webinar registration, the topic got something wrong because the original topic is what is Certified Financial Planner CFP. So you may take note of this. So thank you for joining us today. Again, good afternoon. I'm Jolene Gang from Division of Program Promotion. I'm the moderator for today's live webinar. Glad to see you all here to attend this webinar. All right, today's topic is what is Certified Financial Planner and how to get it. And we are so lucky to having Mr. Cha Chi Kyung, which will be our speaker of this webinar. After the topic sharing, there is a Q&A section. If you got any question, please keep the chat box there, and you may our speaker will answer the question. So before we start our webinar, let me introduce our speaker. Our speaker, Mr. Cha, is a lecturer from Department of Banking and Risk Management, Faculty of Business and Finance, located at Kampar campus. He obtained his Master of Science Finance at University Utara, Malaysia, obtained his Bachelor of Economic Applied Statistics at University of Malaya. The area of expertise of Mr. Cha is financial statement analysis, investment analysis, and personal financial planning. So, all right, now let's welcome our speaker, Mr. Cha, to sharing today's topic. Welcome, Mr. Cha.
Okay, thank you, Jolene. So the topics which we're going to discuss today is what is a certified financial planner and how do you get it? Okay, so first question, who is the financial planners in Malaysia? So financial planner actually, which is help the clients to create a personal budgets, implement strategy for accumulating wealth. The major areas for the financial planners, which is doing for estate plannings, retirement plannings, investment management, tax plannings, employee benefits, insurance, etc. So we discuss all these areas later on. And in Malaysia, if you want to be a financial advisor or any financial planner, you require a license. Okay, such as if you want to dealing in the securities, buy and selling the share, or dealing with any derivatives, or become a fund management, and you're dealing in private retirement scheme, advising on the corporate finance, investment advice, and financial plannings. All these activities in Malaysia, you have to get a license. So for personal finance related, we'll highlight all in red, which is dealing with private retirement schemes, investment advice, and financial planning. Okay, this three is in the area of the personal finance. So the major license for the financial planning in Malaysia, which is a financial advisor representative, FAR, which is under the regulated by Bank Negara Malaysia, okay, under the Financial Servicing Act 2013 and Islamic Financial Servicing Act 2013. And for financial planner, it's regulated by Securities Commission SC under the Capital Market Servicing Act 2007. Okay, so if you want to obtain a license, they must be meet certain qualifications. So CFP, Certified Financial Planner, is one of them. So other than the CFP, you also can earn a Registered Financial Planner or Islamic Financial Planner, IFP, or Sharia Registered Financial Planner to obtain the license from just now I mentioned. Okay, so why you want to get a CFP in Malaysia? Because CFP is a global recognized. And if you earn a CFP, you can enhance the employment and a career opportunity in the banks, insurance companies, unit trust companies, asset management companies, and financial advisory firms, etc. So you look at the data. So far, up to year 2018, there are around 181,000 CFP around the world. Okay, so based on data which is given by the Financial Planner Advice Service Report, and Malaysia we have 2,287 CFP, and in Singapore we have around 963 CFP. Okay, and so why you want to get a CFP? Because CFP is recognized by Bank Negara and the Securities Commission in Malaysia. It's one of the regulated. Like just now, if you want to get the license with dealing with personal finance, then you have to get the license which is given offered by Bank Negara and Securities Commission. But if you want to get the license, you have to get meet certain qualifications. CFP is one of them. And CFP is recognized by Central Bank and Securities Commission to be entitled you to get the license. Okay. So far for CFP, we have 4 modules. So the module 1 is regarding the foundation in the financial planning and the tax planning, which is the process how to dealing with the financial plannings. And for personal tax planning, so we also going to discuss how a personal will planning all the tax. Okay. And for module 1, for the exam format, they only have 75 objective questions to be earned within 3 hours. For module 2, which is regarding the insurance planning and the estate planning. So insurance planning means that you have to know all the insurance products and some of the risk management products that are available in the market. And estate planning, which is regarding on the distributions. So for CFP program, for the estate planning, we talk about the distribution act in Malaysia and how you prepare the will and the trust to your clients, and as well as the Islamic estate planning, which is the Faria distributions as well. Module 2 also, we have 75 objective questions to be completed in 3 hours. For module 3, which is regarding the investment planning and the retirement planning, which is you have to know all the investment vehicles that are available in Malaysia and all the retirement planning scheme that are available in Malaysia as well. So you can advise to the clients the proper way on the retirement planning and investment planning. And other than the investment planning, you also will discuss some risk management process for the investment. And for module 3, they also have 75 questions to be completed in 3 hours. So you look at module 1, 2, 3, all is under the MCQs. Okay, there are no essays to be right for module 1, 2, 3. Module 4, for module 4, you have to complete a financial plan construction, which is if you are a personal financial planner or you are a financial planner, you have to decide and complete a plan to your client. Let the client to decide whether they want to according to your advice, okay, or to follow the plans you are suggested. So in that case, you have to prepare the plans. So in module 4, we will train you how you're going to construct the financial plans. And of course, if you become a CFP, you must have some professional responsibility. So in module 4, we also will highlight on all those key ethics and some of the key responsibilities you have to follow. And module 4, they have 2 parts, which is the first part is 60 objective questions to be completed in 3 hours. And after that, module 4, we have a case study. The case study exam actually you should have to prepare a financial plan based on the case study and must be completed within 3 hours as well. Okay, so what if you just partially complete the module for the CFP? Means that if you have module 1, 2, 3, 4 in order for you to get the CFP, but if you just earn module 1 and module 3, can you get the license or not in Malaysia? Yes, no problem. Okay, so you look at the charts here. So if you just partially qualify for module 1 and 3, you can get the Capital Market Service Representative license under the Securities Commission. Okay, if you just pass module 1 and 3. And if you pass module 1, 2, 3, you can get the license, or you can try to apply a license from Financial Advisor Representative, FAR, from the Bank Negara Malaysia for insurance and Dakafu. Okay. If you pass module 1, 2, 3, and you completed study of module 4, but you just pending for the exam, then you can get the capital market service representative for unit trust and private retirement scheme as well. Okay, so you partially complete the module, then you still can get the license. Of course, if you want to get the license, you have to register with the financial advisor firm, okay, or any financial planning firm. Okay, if you have fully completed all the module 1, 2, 3, 4, then you are going to certify. So once you fully certified, then there are a few career opportunity to you. First, you can join a firm which is independent, the firm which is the financial advisor firm, or any financial planning firm, or any insurance company. Then they're dealing with the financial planner, given the license for capital market sales representative or the financial advisor representative, which is you can charge a fee-based or commission-based, okay, from all the clients, your services. Or if you don't like to become a frontliner, okay, you do not become a marketing personnel, then you can, as a pilot panel, which is a salary page, which you work at the back office. So in the back office, you can prepare all the plans to the frontliner in case they try to meet the clients. Okay, next, you can set up your own firm or independent financial advisor firm. Of course, you have to meet some certain criteria which is set by central bank if you want to set up your own financial advisor firm. Next, you can join your financial institutions, which is tied with any insurance company or any banks. Then you become a financial planner or agents, which is you get earnings from the fees or commissions. And next, you also can join a financial institution, bank, become an employee. Okay, so once you're employed as a bank, then they give you a position which is a wealth advisor or financial consultant, which is you get the salaries and commission which is offered by the bank itself. Okay, so this is the career path for you if you fully completed all the modules and certified. Okay, so you look at the some of the link I shared to you. Okay, so you check the link. This is all the financial advisor firm that are available in Malaysia in case you want to join the firm, okay, which is I mentioned here just now. So you must be a registered firm if you just partially complete all the module. Okay, so I'll share the link, which is the Bank Negara website, which is the registered financial advisor that are available in Malaysia. Okay, so this is all the list of approved financial advisor, which is listed in the Bank Negara website. Okay, so far we have around 33, okay, only 33 financial advisor firms that are available in Malaysia. Okay, so you can join any one of the firm then if you're partially accredited. Next. So if you're personal, you're not, if you earn a partial license, partial complete certain module, then you can be one of the registered financial planner. So you can check this link to see whether you're qualified or who is a qualified financial advisor in Malaysia. Okay, this is all the financial advisor that in Malaysia. Okay, okay. This one is for the financial planner that available in Malaysia, which is from the Securities Commission website. So you can see this is all the company, Fiat Capitals, You can check all the names. Okay, you can check all the names, which is in Malaysia so far we only have around 1,000. Okay, 1,000 for the financial capital markets marketing representative. Okay, so next. For the central bank, okay, for the central bank, you also can check those lists in the central bank websites here. Okay, so financial advisor representative, you can check the links, which is from Bank Negara Malaysia. And so far we have around 1,000 plus. Okay, we have 1,000 plus financial advisor in Malaysia. Okay, so this is all the companies that are available for you to join. If you partially complete the modules, then become a financial advisor. Okay, like I mentioned just now. Okay, so next. So how do we want to be certified? Okay, all candidates must be registered with the approved educations, example like Utah, and attend the prerequisite number of lecture hours, which is one module you have to sit for the lecture class or lecture sections for 60 hours. Okay, currently we conduct a class 4 hours per modules per week. And there are 3 options for you to complete to the certification courses. Okay, the first option. Okay, the first option, you can earn the CFP, which is through the exam base. Okay, so you can see the educations providers for 4 modules, module 1, 2, 3. Then after you complete the exams, module 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you have a 3 years relevant working experience. The working experience must be relevant in the insurance, mutual funds, securities, asset management, accounting, estate plannings, bank, taxations, trust, retirement plannings, and the financial plannings. Okay, and for module 2, for option B, okay, so you can later we discuss how you're going to earn the CFP using the options B, and for option C as well. So option A. Option A, first, you must have a bachelor degree. Okay, if you want to sit for the CFP, they are required to sit for the entire certification course, which is comprised for all these modules. Module 1, 2, 3. Module 1 is a foundation in the financial planning, tax planning. Module 2, insurance planning and estate planning. Module 3 is investment planning and retirement planning. Module 4 is financial plans, constructions, and the professional responsibility. So the shortest time frame for you to complete the 4 modules is 12 months. Okay, once you earn the degrees, then you can complete for all the modules, the shortest by 12 months. Okay. For options B, we can wait for module 1 and module 2 for those who have these qualifications. So there's certain professional qualification you can partially waive, okay, for the module 1 and 2. So example, like you are the active federations of the Investment Manager Malaysia, FIMM, which is past the Q exam, the computerized unit trust examination, or the PRS, private retirement scheme examination, then you can waive for module 1. Okay, so if you are the registered financial planner under MFPC, Malaysia Financial Planner Council, then you can waive for module 1 and 2 as well. And if you're the Sharia registered financial planner from the MFPC as well, you can waive for module 1 and 2. So option B, you just can sit for module 3, module 4, if you have all these title. Okay, for option C, okay, option C, Malaysia will post the following qualifications with 3-year relevant working experience. So which relevant working experience? Like just here, personal finance related, okay, and insurance, mutual funds, securities, asset management, accounting, estate planning, banking, taxations, trust, retirement plannings, and the financial planning. Okay, so you work in any of this industry, then you can seek for approval to waive for module 1, 2, 3. Okay, you waive for module 1, 2, 3. You just seek for module 4, and the qualification is you are the professional accountants, chartered accountant in Malaysia, get CPA for Malaysia, CPA for Australia, SCPA, ACA, SCCA, ICMA, and LIA. Okay, and you are the chartered secretary, ICSA, and the fellow of the MSCA, also can seek for whoever. If you have a chartered financial consultant, CHFC, you also can seek for whoever. And your CFA also can seek for wherever as well, or you get a PhD from business, accounting, or academics related program, you also can seek for wherever, or you have a master business admin, finance, economics, accounting from the accredited university, also can seek for wherever, or you are the Islamic financial planner, you also can seek for wherever for module 1 to 3. Okay, so how about Utah? So Utah, we have a CFP programs, and the CFP program in Utah is open to all the Utah students, Utah alumni, Utah staff, and to all the publics. The entry requirements is you have to get a bachelor degree in any fields. Means that you are from any fields for degree, then you also can get this CFP. And next, you can sit for the exam beforehand. Okay, means that if you're doing a degree right now in Utah, you can sit for the exam for the CFP, but you have to make sure that you complete all your degree. Okay, because the minimum qualification to you to get the CFP is the bachelor degree. So in case you want to sit for module 1, 2, 3 during your university, it's okay, but you have to ensure that you must complete your degree. And so we have one criteria for Utah student from Bachelor of Finance and Bachelor of Banking and Finance. You're exempted, okay, for the module 3. So you don't need to sit for module 3. You just sit for module 1, 2, and 4. Okay, if you are from Bachelor of Finance and or Bachelor of the Banking and Finance. Okay, so this is all the introductions for the CFP programs in Malaysia. Now we come to the Q&A sections.
Okay. Okay, thank you, our speaker, Mr. Chow, for sharing this amazing information to all of you. So I believe they learned a lot from you. So now is our Q&A section. Before we start our Q&A section, kindly refer to the chat box. I passed the link for evaluation form for the webinar. So we would like to seek for your kind cooperation to fill out the evaluation form. At the same time, we will start our Q&A section now. And we got around 10 to 20 minutes to answer the question. Audience can ask some question. Just click the chat box there and ask some question. So due to like a limited time, we may not answer all the question. Only the selected question will be answered. So our speaker, Mr. Chow, will choose some question from here and answer the question. So I will pass the floor to our speaker, Mr. Chow again. Welcome, Mr. Chow.
Okay, thank you very much for Julian. So we have one question from chat box here. Is it most of the insurance agent is the CFP member? Okay, so so you have to distinguish between the role as an insurance agent and as a financial planner, because for FP or financial advisor in Malaysia, okay, you are dealing with you represent the clients. The insurance agents, which is you represent the company, is different. Means that if let's say you are the financial advisor, you can dealing with A insurance company, B insurance company, C insurance companies, okay, and unit trust company A, B, C as well. Okay, so there are many optionals for you to for your clients to choose. But for the agents, okay, in Malaysia under the Financial Servicing Act, so you only can join as an agent. You only can join one insurance company for life and two general insurance for any two general insurance company for general insurance product. Okay, so and for financial advisor, okay, FA, you have to pass just now for the program here, which is the CFP or RFP or Islamic financial planner or Sharia registered financial planner. But for agents, you only have to pass the PCA exam. Okay, so once you pass the PCA exam from MIA, Malaysia Institutes Association, okay, so then you can get a license from the LIAM, Life Insurance Association Malaysia, or PM, Persatuan Insurans Malaysia, to get all the license, and you attach with one company for life and two companies for general. Okay, this is the agents. But for financial advisor, you can deal with many. As long as your company, let's say this financial advisor firm, they have a lot of partnership. Okay, they have a partnership for company A, B, C. They have a partnership for unit trust for company X, Y, Z as well. So there are many. So you can provide wide range of the products to your clients. Okay, and you are financial advisor, which is you represent the client. Agent, you represent the company. Okay, these are two differences. So any other questions? Yes, okay, CFP membership, you have to renew every year. Okay, the next question is a CFP membership will be expired. you have to renew the CFP membership every year for you to continue to use the CFP title. And if you want to continue, okay, the CFP membership title, every year you have to sit the training, okay, CPE training programs. You have to meet, okay, at least 40 hours. Okay, it depends. Okay, you check the website, the CPD hour. You have to meet certain criteria of the CPD hours. Then only you can continue to get the memberships or the title. Any other questions?
So I'm here got one question. If the student are for engineer background, is it they can join for CFP?
Okay, so if you're from engineer background, no problem. Okay, because for the CFP programs, okay, CFP programs, you can, as long as you get a bachelor degree in any field, okay, whether you're from engineers or Chinese studies or agriculture, so anything, okay, you can sit for the module 1, 2, 3, 4 and pass. As long as you pass the exam, then should be no problem.
Another question is how much is the fees of the Utah CFP program?
Okay, we offer CFP program in Utah twice a year. Okay, so this is the latest. This is so far on the February. Okay, we just started our programs for Utah students and alumni. For the CFP program, we are conducted online. Okay, in the February intakes, which is module 1, 2, 3, 4. We charge 700 for this for 60-hour lectures. But for public and staff, okay, the fee is 970. Okay, only Utah students and alumni which is get the 700 for this, which is for some of the promotions. You can check our Utah websites, okay, for the updated information, which is okay. You can check our Utah website for all those updated informations on the latest program.
Mr. Cha, so here got one question from Lee Chong Ling. He said for the CFP exam without having my experience completed.
Again, I can see the chart.
Is it can sit for the exam without having the experience completed?
Okay, you can sit the exam, module 1, 2, 3, 4. But if you want to get the CFP title, you have to gain experience for 3 years. Here, hold on, I show you the information just now. Okay, here. So yes, you can see the module 1, 2, 3, 4 exam based. Then you can complete all the 4 modules. But once you complete the 4 modules, let's say during your Utah degrees, then you have to get a 3 years relevant experience in this field: insurance, mutual funds, securities, asset management, accounting, estate planning, banking, taxation, trust, retirement planning, and financial planning. Then after 3 years booking experience, then you can get the titles for CFP. Okay.
Okay, I think that's all from the Q&A part. So thank you, Mr. Chow, for sharing this wonderful topic and answering the question. And here come to the end of today's live webinar. So I would like to share my screen. So just want to share that we got another live webinar on tomorrow, which is Monday, 29 March 2021. It's same time with today live webinar, 4 p.m. until 5 p.m. The webinar is talk about the rise of mobile journalism in new norm. So you can visit our website study.utah.edu.my to register for our Zoom live. And here is the barcode for our Facebook page, Utah for You, and also our YouTube channel. You may look back to the previous webinar and get the latest information of Utah. Last but not least, our today's webinar will be uploaded at our Facebook page, Utah for You, and also our YouTube channel. For further inquiry, you may WhatsApp, WeChat, or Facebook us. Thank you for joining us today and have a nice day.
Thank you.